So hi everybody, just got finished shooting that video with my little Jack Russells, and this came in the mail today. It is a pretty big box. It weighs, I put it on the scale and it weighs 19 pounds. So inside it should be 5 French RCIRs that I bought from a person on the MREinfo.com forum, and his username, if you all are interested, if he has anything left, is Staubsauger, and he's in Kansas. So let's get this thing open. I'm just going to use the kitchen paring knife that I have from the kitchen. It's a Shun. So let's see what we have here. That was easy. A little tape on the corners. Ooh, look at that. Menu number 9. Menu 11. Another 11, but this one's different. This menu 11 is beef with carrots and pork risotto with mushrooms. And this one is veal and meringue sauce with pork risotto and mushrooms. Menu 9, pork, rice, and pineapple. And the other entree is cassoulet, which I love. And I think this one is the same thing. No, here we go. Menu number 3. This one is lamb stew and vegetables, and chicken tabbouleh with sardines as a side. So lovely. This is great. As you can see, it looks like they've all, they've all expired except for this one. This one hasn't expired yet. Oh, this one still hasn't expired till this fall. This one expired a couple months ago, no big deal. And last October. And as you know, expiration dates don't really apply to us. We eat old things. But I consider this is still a little, here we go. So, not a bad haul. Okay, one of these days we'll open these things and review them. So, so long.